Good afternoon, everybody. Mark Risley, biz238. Another video. This time we are going to explore the way to add variations and attributes to items on your store. And just to say again to everybody, we have just introduced biz238 Gold. This is the apostolic storefront for everyone. Everybody can afford this. It's $9 a month, and you can build your shop with up to 50 products. And then it's a $1 per item sold fee. And so this makes it easy for everybody to play and give you great exposure in front of the apostolic community. Okay, let's jump right in. I'm gonna jump over to the vendor dashboard, which if you haven't had the opportunity yet to look at is awesome. Major improvements since the former biz238 website. This dashboard is replete with a bunch of bells and whistles that will make it easy for you to not only add products and monitor their activity, but also take a look at in-depth reports, reviews, etc. Today we're going to look into our products area, and within there we are going to build a new product that has attributes and variations. And so I'm going to do add new product, and it's going to be a dress shirt. I'm going to set my price at $25, and I'm going to upload an image. If you're on a mobile device or a tablet, you can do this from there very easily as well. Inside the gallery, I'm going to add an additional picture to show that we also carry the shirt in green. I'm going to add a category. I'm going to go to men's. I'm also going to include men's shirts, and then I'm going to add a product tag as men's as well, and then shirts. Now, if you don't see a product category or product tag that you feel fits your product best, please send us a chat. This is something that we set up from the back end, and so we're happy to add whatever product category or tag that you feel is missing. Okay, let's add a short description and create product. This is going to bring us directly into the product to where we can edit it, and there's lots of things you can do here. Today we're going to focus on this most critical step for a variable type, and that is on the product type. Right now it's on simple. You want to change it to variable. Okay, we're going to scroll down, and you're going to see again different options that you can customize, but we're going to go to attribute and variation, and then we're going to do add attribute. So in this case, we have shirts that we're advertising. You may have hats. You may have any number of products that has various attributes. So the attribute name, you'll see the example, is size, color, options, quantity, etc. So in this case, we're going to do the attribute name as size. Now I'm going to hit tab, and that's going to bring me over to the values, and you'll see the example here: small, medium, large, etc. So I'm going to type in here the sizes that I carry, the value for those sizes. So I'm going to do small, medium, large. Okay, something important to note here. On the front end, when a visitor is in your shop and they see this shirt, when they click the drop down for the sizes available, they will see those sizes in the order that you put them. So arrange them in the order that you desire for them to be viewed at. So instead of it being large, small, medium, make sure to do it, in a order that is progressive. Okay, so we've done that, and then we want to click on this box, used for variations. Okay, good. Now there's another variation or attribute that we need to add, and that is for the colors. And so in this example, I'm going to use color as the name, and then my values are going to be white and green. I'm going to click use for variations first and then save the attribute. And now I'm going to click on this next drop down box. It's a little bit kind of out of the way, but it's asking me if I want to add a variation or create variation. I want to create variations from all attributes hit go, and I'm going to get two pop-ups. The first one is, do you want to create all variations? The second one tells me how many were created. There were 6. Now I'm going to see where my product is beginning to take a new shape. So now you'll notice that there is a small white, a small green, medium white, medium green, large white, large green. Okay, one of the things to note is that when a consumer visits your store and they visit this product, you can set a default size that you want them to see. So I'm going to set it as small and on white. Okay, now when I click on each one of these attributes, I can go in and customize price, sale price, dimensions, stock management, etc. So in this case, I'm just going to start with the price of $15, and I'm going to upload the image of the white shirt. I'm not going to do anything else just for sake of the example here. I'm just going to go through, upload the green shirt as well for the small with a price of 15. On the medium, I'm going to upload the same picture, except now I'm going to change the price to 20. The medium green will be the green shirt, price of 20. The large white will be the same white shirt, price of 25. And then let's say for the large green, you have it generally, but right now you're out of stock. I'm just going to show you how that works. I'm going to go ahead and change the stock status to out of stock. Okay, perfect. Okay, so we've done that, and as you see, you can add many other details there. We're going to save these variations. And then save the product. Okay, let's take a look at it from the front end, what a visitor to your item would see. So they see the title, they see that image that we set as the main image when they get to the product was small and white, and that price, which is a good way to do it because that's your introductory rate, starting at $15. And so if I were to choose that size large and green, I'm going to see that it's out of stock. Everything else we place in stock. And so this is an easy way to add things like shirts and hats and jackets, pants, coats, etc. that are going to have these variable, attributes associated with the product. Hope this helps. Again, if there's any questions that you have about this or any other topic on biz238, we are here to help the apostolic entrepreneur. This is our heartbeat. We want to see the kingdom of God grow, and we know that you are largely responsible for that because you're an entrepreneur in the apostolic movement, and your tithing check is probably different than others in your church, and you have unique opportunities as an entrepreneur in the apostolic community to do work for the kingdom of God. And so our desire is that by putting your products in front of more apostolic people, that we can generate more tithable income and give everybody a greater opportunity to come into the kingdom of God. God bless you. We will talk to you soon.